How's it going, my fellow boaters? My name is Luca LaRussa. We're here at Clearwater MarineMax, and I'm going to take you through a quick walkthrough on the 2025 Boston Whaler 365 Conquest. So we'll start at the back of the boat. We got triple 400 horsepower V10 Mercuries. This will take you over 50 miles an hour on the water. It's a super sporty boat for the length of it. Also at the back, we've got the summer kitchen. So you've got a Kenyan grill. That way you could cook up some burgers and have all the smoke going off the back of the boat rather than inside the boat. A nice wash down sink, and then it is fitted out with some beautiful Corian countertop. Also the live well back here, strategically placed to the back of the boat. That way you can grab your bait easy and cast it off the back of the boat. Over here on the starboard side, we've got a nice dive door, but also a nice handle. A lot of the times it can be tricky getting back into the boat, so it's nice that they give you a handle and a bracket for a ladder that drops down as well. Most of the compartments on this boat are going to be fully insulated, so you could use it as a fish box, or if you wanted to ice down some drinks or food for your day on the water. Multiple seating options along this boat. Boston Whaler always keeps comfort in mind as far as versatility goes. Up here we've got a second station that includes an additional sink, as well as a refrigerator down here. Up at the helm, we've got 3 very handsomely sized Simrad units here. All your chart plotting, waypoint setting, depth sounding, and all of your engine controls can be easily viewed from here. It's also equipped with the Mercury JPO and Skyhook feature as well, which will keep you locked into your GPS locations. The engine will keep you grounded as far as before you go dock, or if you're on top of the spot and you just don't want to lose it, you just press that and it'll pin you right where you're at. We're here in the cabin of the Conquest, and as you can tell, there's extremely spacious place to have some snacks or lunch or dinner, and a telescoping table. That way you can bring everything together when it's time to rest your head at night. We've got battery controls, generator controls, all that laid out very nicely, as well as the galley on this boat is extremely spacious for this size vessel. Comes equipped with a sink, stovetop, and your fridge down there, and also a microwave in here. If you come back here with me, we've got another spacious sleeping area. This is going to be the aft berth. And last thing in the cabin I want to make mention of is the very spacious head on this boat. So you'll have an actual close-off shower, so it's not exactly a wet head. You actually get an individual shower combined with your head. Let's head up to the bow. Up at the bow of the boat, we've got spacious seating, a nice, very large sun pad. If you look above the hardtop, there's a huge go light up there. That way, at night in your travels, anything can be easily spotted. As we walk up to the front of the boat, the very front of the bow, we've got your windlass anchor, as well as controls for it down here, and a nice light. That way, if you are cruising at nighttime, it's very easy to see everything you're doing. Thanks for joining me. Again, my name is Luca LaRussa. We're here at Clearwater MarineMax, and if you want to know a little more about the Boston Whaler product line, you can reach me at 727-475-2899. Have a good day.